The impact of Hurricane Milton still being felt across parts of our area 2 months after it hit Florida. Josie Carbonari in Fort Pierce this afternoon talking to residents who still need help.
Weeks later, complete destruction is all that you see here in Fort Pierce. Some residents are still waiting for financial help. This week, though, Governor Ron DeSantis said more money will go to communities in some of the hardest hit areas. A total of $7.8 million was announced in additional funding for those affected by Hurricane Helene and Milton. The money coming from what is known as the Florida Disaster Fund. This nearly 2 months after the devastating impacts of those storms and tornadoes that ripped through communities like in Wellington and St. Lucie County. Today, many homes in the Spanish Lakes neighborhood in Fort Pierce still look like this.
Well, they're waiting on FEMA. Some are waiting on insurance. You know, some insurance companies haven't written checks yet.
Families who used to live here no longer residing in their homes, setting up at hotels.
You know, it's been tough for a lot of folks.
And some still waiting for financial help.
Everything's really kind of slowed down. That first week, a lot happened, and after that, nothing. Nothing at all. And it has people frustrated.
If you've been impacted or need additional information on assistance, you can contact the Hope Florida hotline, that number on your screen. We reached out to the governor's office for more information on eligibility and how funding will work and are waiting to hear back. Reporting from Fort Pierce, I'm Josie Carbonari, WPBF 25 News.